It's me, Roblox Logic Tornado is here. But I have to say this. Yesterday I was sick today. But I cannot make videos today because I literally have a coughing day. That's my bad day to the luck. But I'm so unlucky. And all of a sudden I just became the worst man of the city. Please comment down below. You want me to be okay now. But I'm gonna remain. This is my last video before I got sick.
Hi guys.
Yo, it's gonna be me, yo, seriously. Everyone, I need 100 billion views. Oh, and give me a shout out for this content. Give me a shout out. Give me a shout out, dude. Oh, what is this thing? Ooh, a secret bunker. Nice. Finally, something in mud. Now I'm gonna hide the remaining box. It's gonna be epic. Wait here, guys. Now all these years, now gonna be finally quitting to this YouTube profile on December 2026. I'll release the Roblox Logic Tornado finally. I mean finale. And I'll release my friends to an animation, but I can invite them for sales like Zach or anyone like my friends. This is my last remaining video to be. It's only to find my illogical sprinters. good at hide and seek.
Bye.
Oh shoot! Wait! Where freaking he go? Oh, he's look like in the register. I'll hide on my box. This is gonna be a peasy easy on this game.
Bye.
My remaining opportunity. I'll message you all to the to the avocado place official on the community, and I'll message you all to the emergency messages. Here's how I it must be.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Oh freak! Oh shoot! No, I'm dead. You seriously, you Ajin? Okay, attention everyone. I made a song for you all guys. Look here, sing all along. I know came back from your ceiling when I never thought, I just never knew. Don't I know I'll never fall away for you? I was starting to get so angry for my friends. That's how I did. I was so angry. They literally just to my scooter and I literally got sick. I was angry to my friend. I never thought I took my ears. They, my remaining spaceship. That's how what I do. Yeah, I'll forgive you, my bro. Yeah, guys, this is all my music, but I'm not gonna remix it. But I don't know how to make a video of I sing it. But I come along for a new comedy conversation. But I'll explain it tomorrow. Wait, where's me? Dialect, seriously?
Gusto naman na yan.